In this video, I'll show you how to bypass Mousetrap R6 XIM matrix. Players using XIM adapters are exploiting a loophole by disconnecting from the match just before the last kill cam. This prevents Mousetrap from applying penalties, allowing them to continue using their hardware without restrictions. So, Mousetrap should still detect and penalize XIM users regardless of when they leave the match. Disconnecting before the final kill cam should not allow players to avoid detection. So currently, the only workaround is to monitor suspicious disconnections manually. A fix from Ubisoft would be necessary to close the loophole and ensure a fair gameplay. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.